It's the first chip built for real-time on-device AI orchestration, designed to think as fast as you do. At just the sound of your voice, the S26 Ultra springs to life. The Galaxy AI core doesn't just hear you, it understands you. It analyzes your tone, context, history, and even current surroundings to deliver results with startling precision. Say, find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby, and text it to Luca. In just milliseconds, it uses your location, personal preferences, Luca's dietary tags, and popular review data to suggest the perfect spot, and then it sends it over, beautifully formatted. This is what contextual AI looks like. The lines between apps are gone. Need a recap? Just say, list the places mentioned in this video and save it as a note. The Galaxy S26 Ultra transcribes the video, highlights named locations, extracts key timestamps, and automatically creates a visual summary stored in Samsung Notes, synced to your Galaxy Watch and Tab. And when your world revolves around sports, the Galaxy knows. Just say, find the next 5 Blue Stars FC games and add them to my calendar. It checks real-time match databases, compares it to your availability, and syncs it across your devices. It even adds weather forecasts and travel time if you plan to attend in person. Your curiosity now has a visual language. Just draw a circle around any object on your screen, whether it's text, a product, or even a whole scene, and the S26 Ultra's Circle to Search AI generates deep web search results, product links, or educational content, all contextualized to your intent. Snap a photo of a dense biology page and ask, "Can you help me study this?" The phone doesn't just read the text, it actually transforms it. Through AI tutor mode, complex subjects become interactive conversations. You can ask follow-ups like, "Can you explain this in simpler terms?" Or "Give me a real-world example," and the assistant adapts, learning how you learn. And, it doesn't stop at study time. Identify a song from a cafe with just a tap, track your sleep stages with millisecond precision, access stress insights with breathing advice triggered in real time. Your personalized Galaxy Brief gives you morning updates that combine. So, today's agenda includes overnight sleep analytics, current health stats, motivational insights, and even weather-based outfit suggestions, all automatically compiled by your AI engine. Pretty convenient, right? Now let's talk performance. The S26 Ultra executes over 50 million tasks per second without slowing down. You can multitask with live video streaming, photo editing, calendar syncing, and real-time navigation, all while maintaining sub-zero lag. It summarizes conference calls into bullet points, auto-generates emails based on your voice notes, and it even categorizes your photos and documents, tagging them based on content, people, and tone. That's some serious capability. And all that power? It's encased in a work of art. This is the thinnest Ultra Samsung has ever made, measuring just 7.9 millimeters thick. It's refined with polished titanium edges and armored in ceramic glass Ultra Shield, a hybrid of ceramic particles and Gorilla Armor glass, resistant to cracks, scratches, and glare. The floating lens array subtly pulses with notifications, while the anti-reflective nano coating makes it crystal clear under harsh sunlight and in low light reflections. Pretty impressive, don't you think? So, just turn it on, and the 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X Pro display really shines. With DCI-P 396% color accuracy, QHD+ resolution, 240Hz touch response, and up to 2,500 nits of brightness, it's honestly perfect for gaming, movies, or even professional color work. Watching even low-res clips becomes a cinematic experience, thanks to the ProScaler AI, which enhances pixel depth and dynamic range in real time. For power users, the 6,000 mAh battery lasts well beyond your day. Plus, there's a graphene cooling layer and an AI power optimizer that shifts resources based on your usage patterns. Support for 45-watt superfast, charging 3.0, wireless charging 2.0, and PowerShare means you're always juiced up and, able to share the charge. Gaming is honestly transformed here. With Ray Tracing 2.0, Vapor Chamber liquid cooling, and AI Scene Boost, The S26 Ultra delivers smooth 120 FPS graphics, console-quality realism, and yeah, zero frame drops. The new HyperTouch engine improves touch latency by 22%, giving you pro-level responsiveness in competitive gameplay. Now let's explore the camera, the S26 Ultra's crown jewel. Equipped with a 200-megapixel quad-pixel main sensor, it doesn't just capture images, it interprets light, depth, texture, and tone. With support from the Pro Visual AI engine, it detects over 30 types of scenes and automatically adjusts ISO, white balance, aperture, and HDR layering. From the 12-megapixel ultra-wide for breathtaking landscapes to the 50-megapixel periscope telephoto that delivers lossless 10x zoom and AI-stabilized 100x hybrid zoom, every lens is a story machine. The new object-aware engine tracks movement in real time, balances backlight, and enhances skin tone accuracy, even when you're shooting in low light or harsh sun. Videos are another level. You can shoot in 8K at 60 frames per second, stabilized with advanced gyro-level motion correction. The neural night filter uses AI stacking to reduce noise in night videos, across both still and moving subjects. No more grain, no more blur. Sound? Well, it's just as advanced. With Dolby Voice Studio, you can record multi-track audio, isolate background chatter, enhance vocals, and create professional-grade soundscapes, all on your phone. Whether you're making a vlog or a documentary, your audio matches your vision. Security remains paramount. Samsung Knox Matrix now extends across your Galaxy ecosystem, phone, watch, tablet, and buds, using decentralized multi-layered protection. Plus, Samsung guarantees 7 years of OS and security updates, so your S26 Ultra remains future-ready, longer than any other Android device. All wrapped in 100% recycled eco-packaging designed for zero waste and sustainability. Now we reach the crown jewel of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the camera, not just upgraded, reimagined. At the heart of this system is a groundbreaking 200-megapixel quad-pixel main sensor. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about meaningful pixels. Each shot captures extraordinary detail, then intelligently bins pixels for optimized lighting, contrast, and tone, resulting in vibrant, lifelike images day or night. Backed by the Pro Visual engine, your photos become smarter with every frame. It uses object-aware AI to detect over 45 distinct subjects, faces, animals, food, architecture, even sunsets, and then automatically adjusts ISO, white balance, skin tone, and background defocus in real time. Want the perfect portrait? The Galaxy S26 Ultra analyzes the geometry of the human face, separates foreground from background with pixel precision, and applies natural bokeh with DSLR-style accuracy. No artificial blur, no soft edges, just depth, drama, and life in every frame. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your perspective, capturing sweeping landscapes and architectural marvels without distortion, while the 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens brings you closer than ever, with 10 times optical zoom and up to 100 times AI-stabilized digital zoom. From a concert stage to a mountain peak miles away, you don't just zoom, you explore.